Okay, welcome back guys. I'm back on this Angular application website where we have our two components, the navbar and footer, and we have navigation, about works, contact works. Alright, so that's working, and we continue on with some content and stuff now. So what I want to do is first change the footer color. So if we go into the UI footer, class of blue here, if we just change it to pink, and that should set it the same color. Perfect. Okay, now we want to sort of get rid of this, and what we want to do is we'll just open up this. We'll go to put a carousel in. How about that? This one looks good. We'll copy that. Go back to our home page. Just copy that in there. Copy that. Have a look. And contact only. Let's go to home. And there we go. If we just open it up and have a bit of a look. Okay. What we'll do is we'll just wrap him in a container, I think. Just copy that. Okay, it's a bit smaller, a bit better, that's what we want. Excuse me. So we need to get rid of this text in the navbar, really. So if we head over to the navbar component, and it's this here, if we just cut out that, and we head back here and we put that down here. So we're just taking it from the navbar and putting it in the home component, so it's just below there like that. So if we have a better look, and we've got our carousel. Okay. Still got a lot of margin there between that and the footer for some reason. It's 1300, there you go, that's why. Let's halve that, let's go 600. There we go, that's a bit better. Oh, that was pretty easy. So next we will go, we'll just jump back into Material Design Bootstrap. Just type in card. Flipping cards, no. Card, this is what we want. We'll copy that. And we'll go back. And where do we want? Let's put it underneath it, under the main for now. We can always change it. So we'll put in a container. And we'll do a row. And in the row we'll have some columns. with 3 column row. So control that, we can just go back. Where's that card? Copy that. And it's in between here. Paste one card. Another card. And another card. Seems like I've got an extra div there. Yeah, card. Here's the card. Card. Image. Card body. Okay. Just have a look at that. Messed that up, didn't I? Let's have a look. Open this up. Yeah, I knew I did. Let's go back and so there's my row, and there's, yep, so that's 4. Okay, so I'm going to copy 3 of these. Okay, that's right. And now I want to get my card. Copy the card and put it in here. 1, 2, 3. Save that and have a look. Okay, now let's open it up. Okay, that's better. Okay, we don't do that. Now let's change the images. Now I have inserted some images already. I've just created 2 folders, images folder and a main folder. And inside images I've got another 2 folders, which is bracelets and oils. That's what I'll be displaying in this site. So we come up to the so assets, images, we'll start with bracelets. Okay, so 1, card title, so bracelet. Next one we'll do the same. Well, this is oil, so we'll go assets, images, oils, one oil, D1, sorry, doTERRA 1, which is lemon. Okay, so we just call this one lemon. And the third one will push another bracelet. Bracelets. Yes. Actually, yeah, let's have some images to JPEG. Bracelet. Oh. What's wrong with that image? Card. That's. The lemon's only working. Why? Oh, it's images bracelets, isn't it? Images. Bracelets. I don't know how to spell. Bracelets. Okay, let's have a check it. That's looking, card title didn't work on that one. Bracelet. Card title. Bracelet. Therapy. Why? So what have we got here on the sizing? So if we just 350 by 187, 300 by 300. So we want the height 200. See what that does. So if we go to images, oils, change the height here quickly. No. Okay. Okay, so what we'll do, that looks a bit shocking, we'll put another bracelet, we'll do 3. We'll do 3 bracelets. Get rid of the width. Look at that. So why? I love playing with photos. 200, 215. So we need the width a little bit bigger on this one. See if we can do that without distorting the image.